in the Australian Open. What a start to the breakup. Yeah. He can't be challenging.
Mr. Popyrin is challenging the call.
This might go down as the worst challenge of the tournament, I think, unless I've misseen this by some margin.
Well, it's a desperation, I would assume.
4-0, Pouille. Mr. Popyrin has no more challenges remaining.
He needed it, though.
Yeah. Not yet. Reminiscent of the opening set. He'll be thanked. Well, I got a sense that Pouille caught him moving there. Standing ovation, and so there should be.
Well, you can't say this guy doesn't lack heart and fight, and what an amazing turn of events there. Took him a couple of set points to get it in the end. Well, actually more than a couple, but he got it. There were some tight ground strokes from Pouille in that tiebreaker, wasn't there?
Well, I was going to say the other two ways you learn wisdom is by imitation, which is the easiest, and reflection, which is the noblest. Well, this guy in your picture, if he is reflecting later, well, in fact early tomorrow, because that's what it will be probably by the end of this match, on a loss here, it's going to be a pretty painful one, to be fair, because that set you felt was his for the taking. 4-love up in the tiebreak, and yet here we go.
Yeah, the set summaries, both of them very, very close. Look at that. Even Lucas Pouille even won one extra point and ended up losing that set. Good amount of winners and unforced errors from both players. Everything pretty much identical. Nothing to take from that except possibly the 3 break points that Lucas Pouille had in that set to the 0. So Pouille did a better job on the serve, but in the end, losing the points, still ends up winning the set, does Alexei Popyrin.
Tough to condense a set with so much happening in it into just a minute and a half. The EVS crew will do their best because there was so much to admire. How good was that? That was the second of the 2 service points he needed to get back. This is the approach. Catches it late, takes the sting out of it. Take nothing away from the approach shot there, or this backhand. How calm was that? That was not an easy ball from down low. Threaded the needle.